Hey y'all, it's time for another Codewars challenge. This one is a level 7. We are doing it in Python and it's called Special Number. As always, a link to the challenge will be provided in the show notes right below the video. So I recommend trying it out before watching my version of the solution, and that way you learn by doing. As always, please like and subscribe to these if you're getting any value out of them. It helps keep me going and it helps keep you informed every time I post a new video. So with that, let's go ahead and get started here. So a number is a special number if its digits only consist of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, so you're given a number, determine if it's special or not. So the number passed will always be positive. All single digit numbers within the interval 1 to 5 are considered as special number. So as an example here, special number is special, right? Because it is a 2, it looks like. And special number 9 is not because it has 9 in it. Okay. 23 is special because it has both those. Okay, so this looks pretty straightforward. Let's train and let's go down to the tests and kind of see what they've got here. So this would be going. It's really hard. It's a big number and it is special. So let's do this. I'm going to wipe out the scratch paper from the previous challenge. And so according to this, our number is going to be this big number here. Okay, so special numbers. We need to have a list of these, okay? And so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have our special numbers, and basically if every single digit in this number is in this list, then we have ourselves a special number. Okay, so this is gonna be pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is split our number up into digits. So digits is going to be equal to int of the digit for digit in string number. Okay. So if you don't understand what's going on here, you can always take the code and pick it apart, and it makes more sense when you sort of look at it line by line. Okay. So what do we do here? First off, we took the number, turned it into a string. Okay. Then we did list comprehension over that string so that we could look at each single digit, right? So there's where the D for D in the string number goes. Okay, so now I have a list of strings. Each of those digits is a string. So right here, I need to take that digit and turn it into an integer. Okay, so now I have a list of digits, okay? And that's what we did here. So there's our variable list of digits. Okay, so now, if at any point, any of my digits is not in this list, then we're done. We don't have a special number, okay? So what's gonna happen is in our function, we're just gonna for loop these digits, check and see if they're in this list, and the minute they're not, we return false, otherwise we return true. Okay, so the difference though is that rather than returning true and false, we have to be wary. They want us to return a string, so special or not, okay? So just keep that in mind as we move this code over, okay? So we'll bring this, merge all this together and get rid of what we don't need. All right, so here's what we need to do to take over to our function. So I'll paste that in, tab that last line in, and then we'll do for digit in digits. Okay, so we're for looping here. And so if the digit is not in special digits, special numbers, okay, so the minute we hit a digit that's not in my list, we're going to return false. Okay. If we get to the end of the for loop and that has not happened, we return true. So this is where if I was doing Boolean. So what I need to do is change this to be strings. So this will be, instead of true here, that's special. And then this one is going to be not. And so let's test this out. Looking good. Full attempt, full submission. Nice job, y'all.